It started another day. Today we're gonna get some more corn done. Got to move to a different farm, and got my helper with me today. Got Maddie with me, and we'll see. We got to go move this combine that broke down yesterday on the beans, so we got to go get it and bring it back here to the shop and get that bearing replaced that's went out in it. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we'll just bring it in the shop. But maybe it'll dry out enough to get that field of beans done we're in too. So hopefully they look like they're going to average pretty good. And we were hoping to break 100 bushel, but we just quite didn't make it. We were just a little bit shy, but not complaining about that type of yield on beans. So, but you know, when you don't reach your goals, sometimes you get discouraged. But hey, we're gonna keep going, keep learning. So, it's like a pink wonderland. All these beans wings blowed out from the corn from the bins. What do you think, Maddie? Ready to go? Yeah, she's ready. Well, we're getting this machine moved back to the barn. Change that bearing out probably tomorrow if it rains, and hopefully here we can get the other trucks dumped and get back going later, probably after lunch on beans, and get started this morning around 10 on corn, hopefully. So we still got to put fuel and grease and do the daily maintenance before we start. So still going. We're folding the head up on this 12-row head on this fence. Once we get it folded up, we're going to head down the road about not even a quarter mile and get started again. Hopefully make some good progress today before the rain comes tomorrow. We'll see. Well, we got the combine moved. We got a semi here. The other one we sent back with a load from the wagon from last night. And got my lunch, water jug, must have iced tea, sweetened. And we're gonna get after this corn today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll probably put as much in the drying bin as we can. Here comes my helper for the day, Maddie Jo. You ready to go? Come on. You ready? What have you been after? See if she approves today. Well, we're back going in the Fendt. Looks like Maddie Jo approves. She's enjoying her time in here. Don't you, girl? Sending one truck, and here's the other one. We're about to have it full too, so keep on rolling. Well, Maddie likes the headrest right there. Don't you, girl? Better back up. Pull it back. Well, we're done for the day. Maddie said she's put in a hard, long day. But we got enough done to keep the dryer going, hopefully for most of tomorrow, since it's supposed to rain. So we're gonna call it quits and maybe go, well, we're gonna go check out the beans. His brother's cutting beans, so we'll check that out. Ready, girl? You know she expects me to get her in here. Yeah, I got the tandem brought back. Still looks like a pink wonderland around here. All this stuff blowing out of bin. But getting ready to go check on my brother and dad. They're cutting beans, so I'm gonna go run up there to that farm farm and see how they're getting along. Almost back up here where brother and dad's at, where they're cutting beans in this bottom down here. So hopefully they've made progress. But you ever had some of them weeks where you're just terrorized by breakdowns? It sucks because you just can't get no progress done. We're coming in. Looks like they made pretty good progress today. Yeah, got this field all done, and looks like we're moved over to the next field. This field before we had contest entry stuff in, so they ended up doing pretty good, but not what we wanted, but still, I'll take what they yielded. Looks like we're moved over here to the next field over, and I'm going to jump in that grain cart and get over there so you don't have to come over here to dump. So. Well, they were finishing up when I got there and pulled in, so by the time I pulled that tractor and wagon around, they had a full hopper, and that's all we could fit for the day, and it's getting ready to start raining, so we shut everything up. Now we're going to go to the house and probably take it easy.